Hi friends, in this video I would be showing two methods to uninstall Netflix app. Method 1. Go to this apps tab, go down, select Netflix app, press and hold OK button on the remote, go to view details. Here you can see uninstall. This is a method 1. Let me go to method 2. Method 2. Go to settings. Select all settings from top right corner. Go down, select apps. Go to see all apps. From this list, select Netflix. Then select uninstall. Select OK. Done. Deleted. This is a method 2. So these are the two methods. You can try this. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.